Welcome to Definix channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to use Metamask on BSC based Definix. Metamask is a crypto wallet that runs on a web browser. The highlight of Metamask are that it is free to use and it supports Binance Smart Chain. It is the essential tool that will help you start investing in DeFi. So I think it will be useful for you to understand how Metamask works and prepare your Metamask wallet for use with Definix. Okay, first of all, let's start from where you can get Metamask. Step 1. Install Metamask. Go to Metamask official website. Computer using Chrome browser and select the browser that we want to install Metamask. Then click on Install Metamask for the browser of our choice. Metamask supports Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, as well as iOS and Android for those who use smartphone. After installing Metamask, it will appear as a bold page Get Started to set up our cryptocurrency wallet. Step 2. Setting Metamask. On this page, there will be a choice between import wallet for those who already have a wallet and create a wallet for newbie or those who have never used Metamask. For investors who have just used Metamask for the first time, press create a wallet. When you finish clicking create a wallet, there will be warning and caution for investors to read. For example, do not send your private key, our code, or personal information to anyone else. For the safety of our cryptocurrency, when finished reading, press the words I agree. After that, investors go in and create the code. This requires a minimum of 8 characters by direct passwords. New password must be the same as confirmed passwords. After that, press the checkbox I have read and agree to the term of use and press create. Let investor press the gray zone lock area. When pressed, there will be a backup page or a number of English words for investors to write down on paper or a safe page. Note: backup page is our backup Metamask code. Do not share or share this data. Anyone who knows this backup page will have access to the Metamask wallet. After you have installed Metamask, we will make the wallet work with Binance Smart Chain. Just follow the steps I will tell you. Click Account. Click Setting. Click Network. Network name Binance Smart Chain. Filter the information completely. Click Save. Choose Network from drop-down Binance Smart Chain. Then we will add the SIG and Definix token, which are the essential token for Definix platform. Click Add Token, Custom Token. Click Next. Click Add Token. After you have done adding token, now you can see the amount of SIG and Definix token in your wallet. Now your Metamask is ready to connect with Definix. Easy, right? This is the first step to invest with Definix. Thank you for watching. I will come up with more tips and tricks for you next time. Please click subscribe and you wallet with the good thing from me. Okay, see you next video. Bye.